yung vertical live. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put some candy on my snackle box. Okay. Okay, and then, see, look at that. Okay ba? And then I'm gonna put some of these. Ako, wala na pala. My candy is gone. Thank you sa patamsak nyo, guys. May tao pa kaya dyan? Guys, it's still there. Janine, can I open this mango? Oh, she bought me a mango snack from Thailand. My daughter just came back from Thailand. She just came back from Thailand. See, look at this. Colorful already, huh? Nice, no? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'll put this bento. This is spicy. This is from Thailand. I'm gonna open it. This is from Thailand. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I don't know if my daughter's gonna eat dinner. Not sure. Okay, this is a squid. It's from Thailand. Okay, this one, look. Squid. That's all you need. It smells. It's a squid. And this one is the, I don't understand this. The original. Original daw eh. Oh, see? And this one is spicy. My kids were like, Mom, who you're talking to? I think I'm talking to myself. Hey, this is what it's looked like. Squid. It's a little spicy, but it's really good. What else should I put in my tab? Ganda, diba? Very good. Alat dito. Maybe I should put some popcorn. Should I put popcorn? What's in here? Oh, mixed nuts still. Pwede palang mag-live ng ganito. Together. So, para pag mag-work ako bukas, I have some snack. This is good. How do I share this? Share nyo nga, please. Share? I don't know how to share.